Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by narrowing target roles and locations so searches stay precise. Once you have 3 job titles and 2 cities, upload a clean PDF resume named correctly. Recruiters prefer PDF under 2 MB. Next, create an email just for job alerts to keep messages organized. Then run your first site searches using exact titles and location filters. This gives immediate, relevant listings. Make sure to save a couple of sample listings so you can quickly tailor applications in the next step. Now dive deeper. Apply filters for remote options, salary range, and experience to prune results. Once filtered, compare at least 3 listings side by side. Look at responsibilities, benefits, and commute or time zone fit to rank opportunities. After ranking, customize 1 resume and 1 short cover note for the top role. Small tweaks to keywords boost ATS matches. When you're ready, submit through the site and track each application in a simple spreadsheet so follow-ups are timely and organized. To finish, verify the site acknowledged your application and record any recruiter contact info. If you don't hear back, plan a polite follow-up after 7 to 10 days and continue applying to maintain momentum. Aim for the top 5 roles you ranked. If you encounter technical issues, try clearing your browser cache, switching browsers or devices, and re-uploading documents. This resolves most submission failures. Finally, iterate on messages based on responses so each outreach becomes more effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.